Hello, this is Yousof Hazem from grade 6B, Al Private School, presenting mass and weight. Mass. What is mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Mass is measured with some kind of instruments like weighing scale or balance. As you can see here, the weighing scale, and here's the balance. Mass is measured in some units like kilogram, gram, milligram, and tons. Mass is always constant, and it is not a force. Here, as you can see, converting mass units, 1.6 ton equals, you need how you can find the kilograms by multiplying the 1.6 tons to 1000, so you can get 1600 kilograms. Weight. But before knowing what is weight, you have to think about the force of gravity. What is force and what is gravity? Gravity is the force that pulls objects towards the earth. What is meant by force? Force is the push or pull that tries to change the position of shape of an object. Weight. Weight is the amount of force that pulls objects towards the earth. Weight is measured with some instruments like force or Newton force, like force or Newton meter. Force meter or Newton meter. Here, as you can see, the force or Newton meter. Weight is measured in a unit called Newton. How does a force meter work? A force meter works by reading the amount of stretch in the spring. The object pulls down the spring downwards and extended. Here, as you can see, the force or Newton meter, the amount of stretch determines the reading on the scale. As you can see, it may be 4 Newton or 3 Newton. Weight and mass are not the same. Mass is not a force, but weight is a force. They are measured also in different ways, units and instruments. There is a way to convert weight into mass, and another way to convert mass into weight. First of all, converting mass into weight. For example, if my mass was 30 kg and I want to convert it into weight, so I have to do this in the following steps. Weight, how you can bring the weight? You should multiply the mass. My mass is 30, so 30 multiplied by the gravity. The gravity of Earth is 10. The gravity of Earth is 10. So I'll multiply 30 with 10 equals 300 Newton on Earth. Why I said on Earth? Because on different planets, the gravity is different. So like I will say, like Mercury is 5, the gravity on Mercury. So I will multiply 30 with 5. So my weight will be different on Mercury. So that's why I said on Earth. Second way, converting weight into mass. If my weight on Earth was 500 Newton and I want to know my mass, then I have to do the following steps. What are the following steps? To bring the mass, we should divide the weight by the gravity. My weight on Earth is 500 Newton. I have to divide it with the gravity of Earth. The gravity of Earth is 10. So the answer will be. Thank you very much for listening and have a nice day.